Alright, so today we have a VCR tape, and the tape is broken. It's come off. I don't know if you can see that in there. So we're just gonna do a quick repair on this. Underneath there's a few screws that hold this together. Take those out. Oops, that's not that. This break is right here near the end. Let's get myself a little bit of slack on this side. Tape has a little bit of damage here. It got twisted. I wonder if maybe we can just take this off and re-spool it onto there. I think not. Let's just get a little piece of tape and just tape it back together. Let's get some clean. They make tape repair kits online, and they really just contain a tape where you just tape them back together. Might be a little bit of a hiccup in the play if it's damaged in the region that has the data on it, but this is obviously, it's clear, and this is the sort of the pre-windings. Just fit that back together, stick it on there. A good wrap. That should be good. It's definitely not coming back off. Let's get this going the right direction. Yep, taped it on there correctly. This needs to go through here, and then it's going to go around this post and back into there. Wind up the excess. Hey, now, get back in there. Set this back in place, release the lock mechanism, take up the slack. That part's done. Oh, hey, let's keep that on there. Make sure that spring gets set back in place. There's a little spring in there. So this put that little pin in place, and then make sure that the spring it just sort of sets in there like that, and then it'll hold it captive over here. This goes back on. That's in place. Flip it back over. Put the screws back in and we'll test it. Push the release button, and there's a little bit of damage to the tape, but this is the very beginning. There's probably nothing useful on that for this particular movie, but now you have a repaired tape. You can test it. Push this little button here, wind this a little bit. It should wind and move nicely, and it does. You have a repaired VCR. Thanks for watching.